Hello everyone, welcome to Dollar Tree Tuesday. So I just have a little haul for you. I have a couple of, I think, new items in here, but a lot of it is just general stuff that I just needed to finish some projects with and to do some things with. So first of all, this is no big thing. My kids love the cereal. I know it's bad for them, but for a quick breakfast, you know. And when I can find a big family-sized box at Dollar Tree for $1, I generally pick it up. It's not even that cheap at Aldi's. And it's supposed to be, you know, wheat or whatever. I don't know. And then I picked me up a little treat. It's the sugar-free Russell Stover caramels. And I really like these. I eat one at a time, or I try to. So I got that. Then I picked up these next few things for a project that I'm doing with my kiddos. If you remember, I picked these up before, the little wooden Christmas trees. And so I picked up two more because I decided what I was going to do with them. And they wanted to paint them and do something for Christmas. So I picked that up for a Christmas craft for them. And then I picked up some little Pom Poms to go with. So they have these out now. These are the sparkly ones, and these are just the plain ones. I'm going to use those for decorations. I feel like it'd be a whole lot easier than some things. And then I picked up this little 5-pack of ornaments, but they're stars, and they're for the Christmas tree. So that's all that stuff. Then I picked up some Christmas ribbon for my Christmas journal that I'm doing for a swap. And they don't really have their new Christmas ribbon now. I could only find this one, so we'll see. I may or may not use it. Wasn't thrilled with it. Then I picked up some of these little snowflakes. I picked these up because I'm going to be doing a project, and hopefully you will see it right after this. If not, you will see it next week. But I was issued a challenge by Gareth, Brewer, who has created Home with G, to create something out of this nautical plastic tablecloth. And I racked my brain and you know, summer was over and I wasn't sure what I was going to do, and then I came up with an idea, and hopefully I'll have it all together by then, but if not, you'll see it next Tuesday for Dollar Tree Tuesday. Okay, so I also found, well, I didn't find, I got me some craft sticks. This is to stir paints and stuff up when I'm doing my paint pours. And then I know I had these, but I think I gave them away because I can't find them. And I have all my Dollar Tree stuff in a specific place, so I couldn't find them. So I picked up some stencils of some birds and stencils of some butterflies. So I think I sent these off to somebody, but I'm not sure. I hauled these a couple of weeks ago. These little pens that, you know, like a little pinwheel with the little things on them. Well, my kiddos really liked them, and I only had one. So this was the closest thing to a boy, you know. But they wanted to earn them. They're on a point system, and so they earn so many things a week for points. And so I picked them up, each one of those. Now I have 3 for everybody. And then, now these are new. They just got these in. I picked up these little Trinket Boxes, and they are so cute. Let me get them all out. And I'm going to be giving these away, and you'll just have to watch when I'm going to be giving them away, because they're going to be interjected in my videos. I have several things that I've picked up over the past few weeks that I'm going to be doing a giveaway for my subscribers who support me. And that's what I really want to do. I truly want to reward my subscribers that support me and watch my videos and stuff. But y'all, look at these little boxes. These are so cute. So they have these in the rose gold. They're just little trinket boxes, but they're bows, and I just thought they were so cute. So they have it in the rose gold, and then they have it in the plain gold, and then they have it in the silver. So I thought those are really, really cute. I'm going to wrap the lids back up. I thought they were really cute, and I thought that would be a nice thing to give out. You know, I have a couple of Eiffel Towers and just some general things that I've seen people say they haven't been able to find. And so I thought I would just do that. But I'm not going to tell you when. Sorry. It'll be embedded into a video. So for those who watch my videos, no problem. Then a couple boring things. I picked up a couple of new dog pans because mine were looking kind of grungy. And I don't know what it is. My dogs love to eat out of these silver bowls. I don't know. And then I picked up one of these garden dishes. I don't know if you remember the cactus thing that I did. Well, somebody wants one, but in fall foliage. So I got to figure out that. How to do that. And then, so speaking of fall foliage, there's not much out there left, guys. I cannot believe I have used it all. But I picked up some leaves. And I picked up some of these orange flowers. They're the Gerber daisies. And then I picked up these mini moms. And I picked up some white ones. Not white ones, but off-white mini moms. They look white on camera. These are white. These are sparkly poinsettias. And boy, they are sparkly because they're all over these boxes that I just got. But I got these for the project. And then the last thing I picked up, I'm just going to dump it on the floor because I got a vacuum anyway. I know that's terrible, but it's a good way for me to vacuum. I picked up these organized baskets. I've been doing a lot of organizing and stuff, and I'm really, really happy with that. Now, I have got one more thing over the weekend, and I'm not going to do a separate video for it because, well, that's just silly. But, so I'm just going to throw it into here. But I got, whoopsies, one of these carts. See if I can pick it up a little bit. One of these carts right here, the ones they sell from Michael's for $30. Y'all, I picked this up at a yard sale Saturday. And it's in perfect condition. I can't even find a scratch on it. And I only paid $5. That was well worth the $5, let me tell you. I was so excited to find that. That was one of my favorite finds for a long time. Anyway, so y'all, I told you I had a small little haul, and that is it. That is my Dollar Tree haul. Didn't get a whole lot. Like I said, hopefully after this video will be another video, a Dollar Tree DIY. The only thing that didn't come from the Dollar Tree is the tablecloth that Gareth challenged me with. But if you don't see that video come out today, it will be out next Tuesday. I've got a lot of things on my plate. Just shoot me. And I'm trying to finish it all up this week. So be patient. Everything's coming out. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all soon. Bye.